Welcome to my YouTube channel C4 Mania. Let me quickly walk you through what we've built. We started by setting up the MCP Client and Airbnb MCP server. This allows us to connect n8n with Airbnb and run automated searches directly from the workflow. For the client's requirements, we're pulling the search criteria from a Google Sheet. Each row has a search link with all the filters already applied. The workflow then parses that link and extracts the important filters we need. After that, we loop through each row one by one and send the request to the MCP client, which queries Airbnb. Next, we take the results and pick the cheapest available listing for that search. From the listing, we extract just the key information the client cares about, the link to the property and the total price. Finally, we update the Google Sheet with this clean information so it's easy to review. This whole process is automated end-to-end, and as an example, I've shown how it finds the lowest rate room from Airbnb based on the client's filters.